Sorry, a lot of fraps.
Came to get rainbow, finally! Cosimo saw rainbow too! Here she is! We are back in Germany. We picked up our campervan and we're making our way back to Italy. But we have to sleep because it's a long way and Germany is very long. So our original plan was to visit more.
It's 1,500 kilometers.
Yes.
So it's gonna
mostly
be
Germany.
16 hours drive, something like that. Today we did 4 hours and a half. Tomorrow we're gonna do another 4.5.
And meet up some friends. So our campervan
even tomorrow
needs to go back to Italy because more repairs need to be done. So we can't go and explore more of Germany.
Tonight we found this
Park
place.
for night. Yeah, this little town.
A medieval place.
Very cute architecture. The name of the town is Milsungen, which is south of Hannover, like pretty south. It's very nice and very deserted now.
Very quiet.
So we will show you this little town.
It's really nice. It's all the houses. They're apparently from the 1500. Oh, we need to walk a little bit after 4 hours and a half sitting down on the car.
Oh, look at the little girl.
Anno Domini 1577.
This is like the main street.
Oh, look at the house. This house. Oh, wow.
Big cities are nice and there's a lot to do, but the small ones are delightful because slower pace.
Delightful.
And look at this, it's so pretty.
Look at the street. Wow, you never know what you're gonna find when you just do this random stop. You found this place, they're like, wow.
There's 3 Italian places in the same street.
Apparently there is a lot of Italian here.
Yeah, including us.
I think this is the main square.
Dalle fiabe.
Non sembra un amianto vicino poi alla fine. No, look at this one. No. Look how tight, guys, there is in between the houses. This is wood in between the brick. There is a little bridge that goes from one house to another. Right there. There is all the history throughout the year, see? From 802 to 1995.
from the two world explorers. We are currently in the south of Germany, rushing through the country to get back to Italy. Our camper van is going a little down on one side, so we need to get back quick and empty it. And this is the situation, traffic. We have 1,600 kilometers to do, and we did half. When are we gonna get there?
In between tonight and tomorrow morning.
The plan was to stop in a couple of places, but no, not a good idea.
No, we're not gonna do it. We're not gonna risk it.
No, we need to get in the country.
Tonight we're gonna stop to our friends' house.
Yes.
They invite us for dinner.
Yes, we need food
We still
before we leave.
We're still in Germany, so.
But we stop, so we get off the camper van. So then the camper van can take a break from all the weight, and then we get back on to finish our trip. Guys. Oh, look who's here. Gotcha! There is so much road work happening on this highway. We keep on getting slowed down because of construction. So change of plan. We looked again at the springs and they're getting a little bit lower, so we decided to skip our stop to see our friends, and we
have to go straight to Italy.
Yeah, we don't want, especially we have to get in the country because there's a lot more issues when you're outside of the country.
Bureaucracy.
Yeah, for example, if we want them to take our camper with a tow truck to Italy, it would take at least 2 weeks, and anyway, we would have to justify it by showing that it takes more than 30 hours to fix it, which is not the case. We just need to get there, so then they would bring it to our mechanic if we are in the country. We had another issue with our camper van, which at this point we can share.
We arrived and the guy said, oh, there was a little bit problem about this, it's fine. One of their customers, while they were doing like a maneuver to get inside the workshop, hit the back of our camper, but they didn't tell us anything, they didn't call us nothing. Guy, he was actually leaving, if one of the employee, he saw him, so they forced him to leave his information, the paperwork, and he has all this kind of stuff. Now, we call our insurance, because it's an international matter, we need a lawyer. So we have to go back to Italy, go to a repair shop, ask if they have a lawyer, and start the process with the insurance to see if we are able to repair the camper without paying any money.
Bureaucracy.
Wasting of time and money.
Yes, and energy. So at this point, we're just trying to get to Italy. We have 9 hours and 17 minutes to go.
New driving pose.
Does your back hurt?
No, I'm just relaxing.
Ah, don't relax too much.
Stretching.
7 hours and a half to go. Do you still think we're gonna get there tonight?
Oh, I don't know, maybe. We'll see. These guys show you how long is Germany.
Oh my god. Look at these people! Mas, run after them!
Yeah, right?
We are less than an hour from the border with Austria. But we're not stopping.
Austria, Austria, Austria.
Welcome to Austria! But Mas, you're in Austria now. Are you excited? I can tell. Tip for who's traveling to Europe. If you have to decide to enter Italy from Switzerland or Austria, a good way to decide is which vignette is cheaper. In Switzerland, the vignette, you buy it for the whole year, also if you're going to just cross over, and it's $44. And you get this, which is our old one, and you can drive everywhere in Switzerland. So if you're just going through in like 2 hours or less, it's probably not worth it. Instead, if you go through Austria, there is a 10-day one, which is 9 euros. And it's this one. Since we're driving in Austria for 2 hours, it's probably a better investment. So that's how we decided which way to get back to Italy. Well, it's also a little bit faster from where we were coming from, but the main reason is so we spend less, because we're going to spend enough money on tolls in Italy, so might as well stay here. We just entered Austria and Mas took a 1.5 hour nap, and now he's going to see if he can drive.
After driving since 9:30.
Yes. Our hero, and now we're gonna see if he can get to Italy or if he wants to stop in Austria.
Yeah. Oh guys, look at the car. Guys, look at the car.
Wow!
Oh, it's a Lamborghini.
Wow! It's 9:15, and this has been Mas's position for the whole day.
When we stop, I don't know if I can stand up.
No, I think
I'm gonna get out like this.
He's gonna go to bed like this. We are in Innsbruck, Austria. What is that?
It's the ramp when they do the jump ski.
So we are in Innsbruck right now, and we are just half an hour away from Italy, and I think we're stopping. So we
Maybe.
will.
We'll see.
We are, because we're hungry, right? No, we're not.
No.
Oh, he's not hungry anymore. And it's super dark, so I can't film anymore. So we will see you tomorrow morning, wherever we are. And this is how much we have left.
Somewhere.
1 hour and 14 minutes. Final
Yeah, but
destination.
before we stop, it's gonna be less, trust me.
Yes. Probably 3 hours. Okay, this is the pass that takes us to Italy. It's called
Brennero.
Passo del Brennero. So once we get out of this, we are in Italy. But right now we're in the fog. And the rain. Another tunnel.
Oh, Italia.
We are back in Italy. It's 10 o'clock. This is where we're sleeping tonight. If we find a spot. Are you happy, Mas? You're going to change position.
Yes, I'm really happy.
Head southeast toward A22 E45.
Yeah, she wants to go to Florence tonight, but it's not
In
happening.
400 meters.
It's 10:30. We're having our last meal in our camper van.
Oh yeah, because I said bam, boom, ba-dum, bam, boom, ba-dum, bam, boom.
We're parked on the side of the highway. It's the worst place ever. We're having just spaghetti with butter, tomatoes. Yeah, but it's okay,
It's a
right?
gourmet meal.
Very gourmet.
Started! Did you say farted?
I said start it.
And we were trying to, it took forever to decide what to watch because we wanted to watch something together. Although we don't have many seating spaces because we had to move some stuff here for the, for the drive.
Freeman.
Let's see, or we still are not agreeing on what we're watching. Okay, so good night for tonight and see you tomorrow in Florence. Bye. Mas is still in the same position.
I slept like this last night. I couldn't get up.
Good morning. Almost there. 4 hours and 15 minutes.
When you get in the big city, this is the problem. rush hour, you're stuck in traffic.
We are so happy that we are on the opposite side for once. We are only 18 minutes away. Masio, we're almost done with the thing in this position.
Let's see if I can stand up after. Look at that, it's still going.
It's still going. It's kilometers and kilometers of this. We're almost back. Last time we left Florence was April. The intention was to travel for like 5-6 months and then drop off the camper in a different place, not here. Destiny wanted something different to happen, so we are back here where we are going to drop off our camper van.
Guys, we are in a tight spot again.
Yes, so I'm going to show you the lovely little road where we're going to drive through now. The joys of Italy. Tightness.
Yeah, the road of Italy, they are tight everywhere.
We also had to time our arrival based on like everybody's at work, so there's more space on the road.
Less people,
And
less
more
traffic.
possibility for us to get in. Hi Luca. Hi Emma. Gate doesn't open.
Per fortuna mi hanno riparato l'aria condizionata, siamo a posto, la funziona una meraviglia.
Loro erano tutti a dormire.
One.
Buongiorno!
Can we go back to Iceland now?
Buongiorno, bella
Luca, get
ragazza.
out! Get out! Luca, come on!
Buongiorno, passerotto. Come stai?